How to unlock home screen layout on your Samsung device. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily unlock the home screen layout. So what I'm talking about here is if I try to move any of these app on my home screen, I am going to long press and try to move them, but I'm not able to do so because my home screen layout is locked and you can unlock it in settings. So in order to make them move, what you need to do is unlock your home screen layout. But before we go there, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Alright, so in order to unlock your home screen layout, you just have to tap on your settings first. Then if you scroll down, you will see your home screen settings. So just tap on it. And right here you see the home screen layout, lock home screen layout option is turned on. You just have to toggle it off. So what this basically does is prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So you just have to turn it off. And now if I go back, I am easily able to move these icons freely around my home screen. There is one other way that you can access your home screen layout without going to your settings, and that is if you hold on to your screen or pinch out from your screen, you can see the settings right here. It will directly take you to your home screen settings. And by turning it off, you will be able to unlock your home screen layout. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.